Semi-automatic magnetic cap heat press machine. Magnetic suction device. The machine rises automatically when the countdown is over. You can adjust the pressure via the spiral pressure device. Head retention slots prevent the head from slipping off during the hot stamping process. The head can be adjusted according to different types of heads. Press the set key to set the temperature and time. First, fix the head that needs to be hot stamped. Put the hot stamping film on the head. Push down handle. Wait for the countdown to end. Automatically bounce up after the countdown ends. Let it cool and peel off the film. Process is done.